Hey, and welcome to the AI Briefing Daily, your podcast for the most important AI news from the past 24 hours. Today is February 1st, 2026, and here are the latest AI updates. OpenAI leads Anthropic surges. AI assistance weakens learning. SpaceX seeks 1 million satellites. Grokipedia cited more widely. This episode is sponsored by Pickard. Power your operations with intelligent automation that gives you back time where it counts. OpenAI remains the leader in enterprise AI production use, but Anthropic and Google are closing the gap, according to an Andreessen Horowitz survey of 100 Global 2000 CIOs. 78% of companies use OpenAI. Anthropic rose 25% since May 2025 to 44%. OpenAI accounts for 56% of model spending, but CIOs expect its share to fall to 53% in 2026, while Anthropic and Google reach 18% each. Enterprise LLM spending jumped 180% to $7 million in 2025. Microsoft leads with Microsoft 365 Copilot and GitHub Copilot widely adopted. An Anthropic study found developers learning a new library with AI scored 17% worse on a knowledge test than a control group using documentation and web search. 52 junior developers unfamiliar with Trio were split. The AI group used a GPT-4o assistant. The group solved tasks. AI did not speed completion. How people use the AI mattered. 3 of 6 usage patterns harmed learning. Delegating work or repeated debugging by the AI were worst, while pairing code generation with targeted conceptual questions preserved learning. Researchers warn this could erode review and debugging skills, especially in safety-critical contexts. Anthropic published these findings despite selling assistants like Claude.
Ad break.
Want a podcast like this one automatically created for your own topic? Pickard's automated podcast workflow turns your content into a complete show in minutes. Save time, stay consistent. Get in touch at pickard.de. P-I-C-K-E-R-T-D-E. SpaceX asked the FCC to approve a constellation of 1 million data center satellites in low Earth orbit. The filing describes solar-powered orbital data centers. Regulators are unlikely to approve that scale. SpaceX often requests oversized fleets. Even a small fraction would sharply increase objects in orbit. The European Space Agency estimates about 15,000 satellites. Most are Starlink, with over 9,600 active per Jonathan's space report. SpaceX says orbital centers could radiate heat and run on solar power, avoiding water use and extra electricity that has driven opposition to land data centers. Grokipedia, Elon Musk's AI-generated encyclopedia, is appearing more often in ChatGPT and in Google's AI products. Ahrefs found it in 263,000 ChatGPT responses from 13.6 million prompts, citing roughly 95,000 pages. Analysts say Grokipedia is used for niche lookups, and that ChatGPT sometimes treats it as an authoritative source, while Google's tools tend to list it alongside other references. The site, produced by the Grok chatbot, includes racist and transphobic material, false claims, and is vulnerable to LLM grooming. OpenAI says ChatGPT shows sources and applies safety filters. One analyst called Grokipedia a cosplay of credibility. That was the AI news of the day. With this, you're perfectly informed for today. Would you like to create an automated podcast on your own topic? Get in touch with us, and we'll make it happen. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow for the next AI briefing.